Okay, here we go now. Okay, this is all done. How far did you get on those?
We got both fenders sanded down. The
Got
trunk lid is sanded. We got a little bit of Bondo or dents to pull out.
few little ones, nothing major. That's not bad. Then we'll go in and we'll cover this whole thing up with tinfoil so we can paint the upper part of it like he wants. And we can go from there. You ready for the quarter quits for today?
Oh, I'm ready. It's hot in here.
It's fucking 110 down here, whatever. All right, guys, like and subscribe. Here we go. Okay, guys. It is Thursday, and it's a hot one out here today. But I figure we'll do some stuff. They're messing with going on the, how's that quick thing? If that didn't make you sick. We got the other side cut off, or part of it. I still have to get in here and take apart the wheel well and all that kind of fun, happy stuff. But we got it, and we actually started painting the back of the C10. Love that color. As that dries, we'll put some clear on it. We'll clear this here, and we'll start. We can actually lay the bed back on it. I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait. See you in a little.